Ryan, let's educate our audience on how we can help them get their offer hopefully accepted, pushed to the top, when we're in a more competitive market, by gathering the most important documents that are required for you as their lender to look at prior to checking all the boxes on that pre-qual. So take it away, sir.
Yeah, like you said, it's still a competitive market out there. Homes that are priced right, and if they're in a desirable location, that they're still getting multiple offers. And for me, as a mortgage lender, one thing that I get whenever I have a client making an offer on a home is a call from the listing agent asking about that buyer. It's the one thing that these listing agents want to know before approaching their sellers with your offer. It's how well qualified the buyer is. And the one thing these listing agents they don't want to hear is we haven't received anything from the clients yet. No income or asset documents. They never want to hear that.
No.
So just a reminder, you could get pre-qualified for a mortgage just with taking a basic application, either over the phone or online, because that goes through your work history, your income, the amount in the bank, and we could do a credit check based off of that. But before shopping for a home, it's highly recommended that you turn in your financials to your loan officer. This includes pay stubs, W-2s, tax returns, 2 months of bank statements, a photo of your driver's license. Getting these upfront allows your lender to let the listing agent and the seller really know that the buyer's turned in everything. We did a full review and everything looks great. There won't be any issues getting the home closed. They don't want to hear, application credit looks good, but we don't have any of those income documents yet. So nothing's been fully reviewed. They never want to hear that. And Dana, I know you could probably attest to that as having lots of listings. So, tip for today, if you're looking to buy, take 10 or 15 minutes, download your financials. A lot of it's all online and pretty easy to get and get that to your lender, after you take your application, because it really will make a huge difference when submitting offers.
Absolutely. And something we on our team always have Ryan do is call in advance. So we submit the offer for you as the buyer, and we let Ryan know what's going on, and Ryan calls in advance. So no one's waiting for that call or they're calling you. Ryan's doing it in advance for you guys. So awesome, Ryan. Thank you guys. If you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of us. We'll see you next week.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.